Welcome back, friends. I know you love math, right? Mathematics, like as I do, okay? So, when we try to arrange the grid, the game board here, we, yeah, I tried my best to, not really, not the best, to center, right? Like horizontally the board, but it's not quite good. Here, this left margin is narrower than the right margin here, and yeah, the top and the bottom is not balanced. Do we have to try the again and again to center it? No, we know some mathematics, right? So now let's go there, give it a try. Um, yeah, this is what we tried last time. We set it to 60. Since we can get the width of the yellow view, the width and height is like, remember, we can do, right? Let's try that. Print. We can use this syntax, or if it's the only thing, we can get rid of it and put the thing directly here with. This is same as backslash parentheses like that, if it's the only thing what we want to print, right? What we want to print, okay? So let's see. So we can get the width of that. It should be 728 maybe. Yeah, it's here. You see, it's here. Okay. Now, how can we use that to calculate that? What pops up in your mind, right? What jumps out in your mind? How can we calculate this? Origin x instead of 60. Yes, I hear you. So origin x should be equal to this guy minus the width of the board, the grid, right? And divided by 2. So what is the width? The width is somewhere here. Yeah, this one, right? That's the width. Here, board side is 19. We have 18 times the cell side here. Okay, so we need to do that divided by 2. Okay, what does it complain? Let's see. Change that to var. Yeah, we use that to define the constant. Yeah, before, right? We don't change it, we set it, but now we want to, yeah, after we enter the draw method, we want to modify it based on, we cannot put this here. Let's give it a try. We cannot put it here for some technical reason. Yeah, you see, cannot. Okay, don't worry too much about that. Just keep in mind, we can calculate it the first thing before we draw. Okay, so undo. Now let's put here. So like what he said here, right? We can auto fix that. It will change the LED here to var. Let's do it. Fix. You see, it changes to var, right? Now this. Okay, so we can, let's print out it, okay, to check what is the value. So origin x, yeah, that, run it. Is, oh, it's a whole number. Cool. 67. So 67 is the perfect even, right, margin. So this will be 67. Here is a 67, and plus the length, the width of the grid, it will be the total width of the yellow view. Okay, cool. So we can do the same thing for the vertical, right, direction. Oh, what the, okay. So now let's get rid of that. We can do the same thing to calculate origin y. Origin y equals same thing, right? Bounds dot height. In our case, because the yellow view is a square, so bounds dot height is same as bounds dot width. Both sides same thing, right? 19 minus 1 times side. The side is 33. Okay, so we need to divide by 2. That, of course, you will complain, right? This one, let's manually change it to 1. Escape key. Yeah. Okay, run it. Now it's perfectly centered, right? Okay, wait a minute. Let's try it on a smaller simulator, iPhone 11. Run it. Oh, we didn't use auto layout, so let's add that. Oh, we did. Oh, I see. We did. So it means the reason is this guy is too big. Okay, let's change it to much smaller, like that. Yeah, right, it's perfectly centered. So is there any way, what about, let's say 20 here, make it bigger. Oh, a little bit too, yeah, too full. Now you might ask, is there any way to automatically control the size of the, right, the side? Do you want to do this as an exercise? Okay, so pause the video and give it a try. After you try it, right, then let's conquer it here. So it means if we run this one in our this simulator, then it will be too small, right? Yeah, like that. That's not cool. How can we do that? So this time we can calculate this first. For example, right side, we want to, okay, so we can like expect it board width, okay, yeah, oh yeah, board width equals 90% of this one, right? Can we do that? Sure. 90%, right, of this guy. Then we know, right, side has to be this guy divided by 18, right? 18, which is this one. Yeah. That's it. Easy, right? Here. 90%. 90%. Stop it. And go back to the smaller one. Run it. 90%. Okay, so if you don't trust me, let's try 80, like 70%. Okay, 70%. Run it. Yeah, 70%. This width, right? The width of the grid is 70% of the width of the yellow view. Okay, now stop it. Go back to the other one, the iPad simulator. Yeah, like that. Cool, right? So that's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.